We'll change your wet diaper. Were you just on the potty a few minutes ago?
Yeah.
Did anything come out then?
No.
But did Emma still use toilet paper?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Come downstairs, please. We're going to look for a diaper.
Oh, you can get this foot off.
What do you mean?
Get this foot off.
Wow.
Get this foot off. And this foot.
Okay. All right. I'm waiting for you now. Please use the railing.
I'm ready.
Please use the railing.
I'm ready.
Okay. Thank you. Are you ready for the Super Bowl?
Yeah.
What are we going to have for the Super Bowl party?
Pizza.
What else?
Cookies.
And pot stickers and baby carrots, right?
Broccoli.
And broccoli. Yay, that sounds like a yummy, healthy Super Bowl party. Do you want to come downstairs? Okay. Do you like using the potty, Emma? Do you like using the potty?
Yeah.
Yes?